Meaning of limit.
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 Limit. The term limit has various meanings depending on the context. In general, it refers to a point, level, or boundary beyond which something does not or cannot extend or exceed. In mathematics, limit refers to the value that a function or sequence approaches as the input variable approaches a certain value or infinity. In finance, limit often refers to a restriction placed on an account or investment, such as a maximum amount that can be traded or invested. In everyday language, limit can refer to any sort of restriction or constraint, such as a speed limit on a road or a limit on the number of people allowed in a room.